In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Notion databases with each other. We'll walk through exactly how to bring entries from one database into another so everything lives in one place. Think of this as consolidating pages rather than combining entire databases all at once. The key to making this smooth is a quick check before you move anything. Start by confirming that both databases use matching column headers. In Notion, those headers are called properties, and the names and types matter. For example, a text property should map to text, a date to date, and a select to select with the same option names. When the properties match, your information drops neatly into place during the move. If they don't match, Notion may create new properties or leave some fields empty, which can make things messy. So take a moment to scan the top of each database and make sure the columns line up in name and type. That simple check makes the merge process much cleaner. Now, go to the database that holds the items you want to bring over. Select the entries you want to merge into the other database. You'll see a checkbox appear to the left of each row. Check the boxes for every item you want to include. You can select as many as you need, and once you've checked at least one, a toolbar will appear at the top of your screen. With your items selected, look for the three dots icon in that toolbar. Click it to open the action menu. From there, choose Move. This tells Notion you want to relocate the selected pages, not just create a copy. A picker will open, allowing you to choose the destination database. You can search by name or browse through your workspace to find the exact database you want. Click the database you're merging into, and Notion will move the selected items over. Because the property names and types match, the data should align cleanly. Titles remain titles, dates stay in the date column, and tags map to the corresponding tag options. That's all there is to it. After the move, open the destination database and review a few entries to confirm everything landed where expected. If something looks off, it usually traces back to properties that didn't match. So fine alignment is the secret to a tidy result. Remember, this method merges the selected items into your target database, keeping your content together and easier to manage. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick, reliable way to consolidate your Notion setup.